I won't commit die. Please.
That's hot.
Cat, what you doing?
Every time I look at the cat, it's like, ah, stupid cat. He's so cute though.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my guys are in dead. He looks even worse than before.
Gesundheit, Gabi!
What the fuck? That was the weirdest sneeze I've ever had. It was like a scared sneeze. What the fuck was that, dude?
Hey, bitch.
I was like, what the fuck? I've never had a sneeze like that in my life.
Damn, you should have recorded it.
I did. Yeah.
Hi. Oh yeah, you did.
Yeah. Hell yeah, bro. I record
My
everything.
highest sneeze yet.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this guy can combo through the fire.
I imagine that's how I started the fucking episode, just be sneezing.
Yes. Wait, that should be your notification on Twitch.
Oh my god, no. I just scare myself every time. Someone... What the hell? Bonfire's lit now.
Nothing's taking a long shit.
Why, he took a shit and you think he's gonna be done in like 2 minutes? What the fuck?
Yeah. I'm a quick shitter.
Oh, you're one of those people, okay.
I'm a quick shitter. You're gonna say it like proud. Yeah, I'm a quick shitter.
You know, I don't waste my time on the stupid toilet seat. It has 800 hours on Dark Souls.
That's right.
Instead of spending all my time taking shit, I'd rather spend it, you know, playing shit.
Playing shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Can't wait to hear that sneeze again in the recording. She can't wait.
Fuck this game, man.
Dude, it's your connection, Luffy. You just.
Alright, Richie. Shall we do it anyways? Shall we look at our beautiful faces and fuck?
Yes.
Alright.
So 3.
Alright, wait. Okay, I'm hovering, alright?
2, 1, go.
What the fuck is your character? Mine is so bright, what the fuck? Well, what is yours?
Oh my god, Luffy.
Wait, let me see Luffy's character.
Pure whiteness, dude. Look at this.
It's
Well,
so
let's
good,
see, let's
dude.
see.
Wait,
Fuck, it
where's
doesn't
the...
work, man.
What the fuck is that thing?
Oh my god. You look like a man.
God damn it.
How is that a man? That
No,
looks like
you
that.
look like a man.
Oh yeah, I definitely look like a man, yeah, definitely. I definitely look.
Out there for of this bitch. See ya.
Oh, that was short
Yeah.
lived.
That was a short tutorial.